Good morning, good afternoon, or good night, depending on what time of the day it is that you're watching this. Hurley is freshly bathed and nice and fluffy. Yes, you are. Today we're going to be attempting to teach him to learn to ride a skateboard. Last year, he really enjoyed running alongside the skateboard because Hurley really likes to run. But now for some reason he's afraid of it, and I don't know why because nothing happened. So I thought today I would teach him to learn to ride the skateboard so he could overcome his fear. Isn't that right, Hurley? Let's get started. All right, we've got our skateboard, which I just wiped down because apparently the last time I used it, I did not clean it. And some treats. Yeah, see, treats. We put you on it. Would that be okay? Good boy. Here, take the treat. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, sit. Sit. Good boy. Oh, it's okay. Good. Good boy. Okay, yeah, we moved it. That was not okay. Okay, we're gonna try and move it, okay? Okay. Good boy! Oh! Progress. Let's fix the spear. Come on. Let's just try rocking it back and forth. Oh, it's okay. Good boy. Sit. 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 Good boy. You okay? Okay. Why not? All right, it's been about an hour of us trying to do this, and we made some pretty good progress. He's still shaking, but not as much. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, okay. Stay. Good boy. Stay. Good boy. Stay. Good job. Good boy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good boy. Good boy. Are you ready to roll? You ready? 1, 2, 3. You're not ready to roll? I think we got this. I think we got it. You ready? Ready to roll? Okay, stay. Stay on the board. Stay. Good boy. Good boy. I think we may have actually overcome, for the most part, this fear of the skateboard. Only way to truly know is to go and test it out outside. Ready to go for a roll? Good job, buddy. Good boy. All right, well, he'll ride on it, but not with it. This is what happens when we try and roll off. He just becomes frozen in fear. Frozen in fear. He's a good boy. Good boy. He's a good boy. Wasn't able to get him to go back to running with it, but we did teach him to ride on it, so that is success. And that is all we can ask for. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't have a free hand to do my thing, so bye!